Hello, and welcome to another interesting lesson on ExamPadi. Our topic today is use of symbols. In this lesson, we will 1. Identify open sentences. 2. Solve open sentences with two arithmetic operations. 3. Use letters to represent symbols or shapes in open sentences. In mathematics, symbols are used to represent various concepts, operations, and relationships. These symbols help us communicate mathematical ideas more efficiently. Plus sign is used for addition. Minus sign is used for subtraction. Asterisk sign or times sign is used for multiplication. Division sign or slash sign is used for division. For example, 10/2 means dividing 10 by 2. Equal sign indicates that the value on the left side equals the value on the right side. For example, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Greater than, that is the arrow facing the right hand side, less than, the arrow facing the left hand side, are used to compare numbers. For example, 7 greater than 4 means 7 is greater than 4. Parentheses, also known as brackets, are used to group numbers or operations. For example, 2 times into bracket of 3 plus 4 means multiplying 2 by the sum of 3 and 4. Algebra is the branch of mathematics in which letters of the alphabet and symbols are used in place of number. What do you understand by open sentence? Open sentence is a statement that contains at least one blank or unknown and that becomes true or false when the blank is filled. For example, box plus 3 equals 8. Look carefully at the following mathematical statements. A. 5 plus 3 equals 8 is true. B. 6 times 3 equals 12 is false. For example, 1. What number, when added to 4, gives 9? To answer this question, we represent the unknown number by any shape, such as a box. Then this question may be written in an open sentence like this. Box plus 4 equals 9. To make the open sentence true, 5 must replace the box. That is, 5 plus 4 equals 9. Therefore, box equals 5. 2. Find the missing numbers that make the following open sentences true. A. Box plus 7 equals 14. B. 30 plus box equals 9. Solution. Box plus 7 equals 14. Collecting like terms, box equals 14 minus 7. Box equals 7. We can as well check if our answer is correct or not by inserting our answer into the box. 7 plus 7 equals 14. That is, the left hand side equals the right hand side. Note that when a positive number, that is 7, crosses over an equal sign, the positive sign changes to a negative sign. That is, it becomes minus 7. And when a negative number, that is minus 7, crosses over an equal sign, the negative sign changes to positive sign, that is plus 7. Example 2. 30 equals box minus 9. Collecting like terms, 30 plus 9 equals box. 39 equals box. Therefore, box equals 39. Checking, 30 equals 39 minus 9. 39 minus 9 gives 30. That is, the left hand side equals the right hand side. So how do we use letters to represent numbers? For example, instead of writing box plus 2 equals 12, we could write x plus 2 equals 12. This means that box is replaced by x. The statement x plus 2 equals 12 is called an algebraic sentence or equation. It means x plus 2 equals 12. Thus, for the statement to be true, the value of x must be 10. The use of letters to represent numbers was developed by an Arab mathematician, Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. The word algebra comes from the title of his book, Al-Kitab al-Jabar wal Muqabala, which was written in AD 847. Another typical example is box multiplied by 4 equals 20. In this case, we divide both sides by the coefficient of the box, which is 4. That is, box multiplied by 4 divided by 4 equals 20 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. 20 divided by 4 gives us 5. Box multiplied by 1 equals 5. Therefore, box equals 5. Let's cross-check if our answer is correct or not. Insert the answer, which is 5, into the box. Therefore, we have 5 times 4 equals 20. Algebra is very useful in expressing mathematical relationships in form of formulae. Example, find the value of each letter. A. X equals 3 plus 6. B. 12 plus E equals 18. C. 2 times Q equals 4. And D. Box equals 12 divided by 3. Solution. A. X equals 3 plus 6. This is a direct question. X equals 9. B. 12 plus E equals 18. Collecting like terms, we have E equals 18 minus 12. E equals 6. Let's check if our answer is correct. All you have to do is insert the answer in place of E. That is, we have 12 plus 6 equals 18. C. 2 times Q equals 4. 2 multiplied by Q gives us 2Q equals 4. Divide both sides by the coefficient of Q, which is 2. So we have 2Q divided by 2 equals 4 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Therefore, we have Q equals 2. D. Box equals 12 divided by 3. This is also a straight question. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. Therefore, box equals 4. Open sentences with two unknowns. Example, if x equals 5 and y equals 3, find the value of A. X plus 3, B. X minus 3 times y. Solution. A. X plus y. All we have to do here is substitute 5 for x and 3 for y. That is, wherever we find x, we replace it with 5. Wherever we find y, we replace it with 3. Therefore, we have 5 plus 3, which gives us 8. B. X minus 3 times y. We are going to apply the same method. That is, substituting 5 for x and 3 for y. 5 minus 3 times 3. But in this case, we are going to be applying BODMAS. We have to first multiply before subtracting. Therefore, we have 5 minus 3 times 3. By applying BODMAS, we will first multiply before subtracting, which gives us 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9 equals minus 4. Lastly, on this topic, we will solve some word problems. But before we do so, it is important to understand what a word problem is. A word problem is a mathematical exercise which is in the form of a hypothetical or possible question that needs mathematical analysis and equations to be solved. In other words, word problems are presented in ordinary language rather than in mathematical notation. Let's take a look at a few examples. 1. A man earns 50,000 naira in a month and his wife earns NZ. If the couple earn 95,000 naira altogether in a month, what is the value of Z? Solution. The man earns 50,000 naira. The wife earns Z naira. The total sum of their earning is 95,000 naira. The value of Z will be 50,000 naira plus Z naira equals 95,000 naira. Collecting like terms, Z naira equals 95,000 naira minus 50,000 naira. Z naira equals 45,000 naira. So therefore, Z equals 45,000 naira. To check our answer, all we need to do is replace the Z with 45,000 naira. 50,000 naira plus 45,000 naira equals 95,000 naira. 2. When 5 is added to a certain number, the result is 6. Find the number. Solution. Let's call the unknown number x. We can write the equation as x plus 5 equals 6. Solving for x, we collect like terms. We get x equals 6 minus 5. X equals 1. 3. Find a number which, when multiplied by 4, results in 36. Solution. Let's call the unknown number z. We can write the equation as 4z equals 36. Solving for z, we divide both sides by 4. 4z divided by 4 equals 36 divided by 4. Therefore, z equals 9. 4. When a certain number is divided by 15, the result is 6. Find the number. Solution. Let's call the unknown number w. We can write the equation as w divided by 15 equals 6. Solving for w, we cross multiply. Therefore, we have w equals 15 multiplied by 6, which equals 90. Therefore, w equals 90. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Here are a few questions to evaluate yourself. 1. Find the missing numbers that make the following open sentences true. 12 equals 17 minus box. 27 minus 20 equals box. Box minus 9 equals 20. 2. A student goes shopping with P and spends 5,000 naira. If he has 400 naira, what is the value of P? 3. Tess paints 2 boards of a fence every 4 minutes, but Ali can paint 3 boards every 2 minutes. If there are 240 boards in total, how many hours will it take them to paint the fence working together? 4. If each sentence is true, find the value of A equals 15 and B equals 6. A, B plus A. B, A times B. C, A plus B. D, A minus 3 times B. 5. I think of a number and subtract 7 from it. The result is 10. Find the number. Thank you for learning about use of symbols with me today. See you in our next video. Bye.